Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Netflix tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Netflix test program and essentially be a data tester for Netflix. So there's a chance you'll get access to new Netflix features before they're available to the public. Everybody actually has access to do this. You just need to go into the settings and turn it on. In this tutorial, I'll be going over two different ways to do it. The first will be on a desktop, such as like PC, Mac, or Chromebook. And on the second, I'll be showing you how to do it on your iPhone or Android phone via the app. So let's go in and get started with the desktop. Once you're logged into your Netflix account, all you need to do is go up into the top right and hover over your avatar until the menu opens. Once the menu's open, go down to Account and select Account. So now that we're in our account, what we need to do is go down under Settings and select Test Participation. Go ahead and select that. And as you can see, we have a toggle switch right here. We're going to toggle that on. And right here it says see and potential changes before they're available to all members. So an example of a beta feature that was available here to the testers that was not available to all the members is the skip intro feature that allows you to skip the intros of shows. So very cool, saves a lot of time. It's a great feature. I use it all the time. Once we've selected on here, go ahead and select done. And then that will take us back to our account. We're now in the beta tester program. On your iPhone or Android in the app, you want to make sure you're logged into Netflix. And then when you're logged into Netflix, go down to the bottom bar right here and select More. And then once you're in More, select Account. Once the browser opens, scroll down until you see the Settings area and then select Test Participation. In here, all you need to do is select the toggle switch and then select Done. That'll save your settings and then add you to the Netflix testing program. So that's how you become a Netflix beta tester and get access to new features before they're available to the public. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Netflix tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.